Okay, so today is that time of the time again where we actually have to get back to cleaning this garage. Things are looking a little bit wild and it's a little bit ridiculous. So on the car, what we need to do is we still need to get that engine bolt out. I went and bought a nut splitter and ended up breaking the nut splitter. Whew, Evo. I didn't manage to get it out with a drill, didn't manage to get it out with the power bar, didn't manage to get it out with a normal socket, what's that thing called? Spanner. So next we're going to be getting a Dremel from Thailand. We can't fit the angle grinder in there, so hopefully the little Dremel with a cutoff wheel will be able to be our saving grace. Just don't know what time Thailand's going to be up, so until then we're going to start cleaning the garage. Just for your guys' point of reference, right? Every time you see a time lapse and it's 1 minute long, 1 minute for you guys in a time lapse is an hour in general time. But yeah, having said that, I'm gonna start doing something. Thailand's probably gonna message me very soon telling me he's awake and I can come fetch the stuff, which will be great. So let's start cleaning everything up and then we can carry on with the car from there. There we have it for day one, right? This episode is only going to come out on Thursday because I'm going to try and get a couple more things done. So we've moved the powder coating station over there. We've moved the cupboards or shelving over that side. That board that's there, we're actually going to mount up there at the back. We're going to move all of those tools over to this side here. We're going to mount that board up there, and then we're going to put all of the tools on that backboard. After that, we have a shelf over there that we're probably going to mount above the powder coating station, just for more storage space. This bed is going to be going to a different location soon. These are files that we still need to pack away. And yeah, so this was phase 1. Tomorrow we're going to continue with this, as well as we got the Dremel from Thailand. So tomorrow we're going to pull that next engine mount bolt out. We're going to put the new engine mounts in, and we can drive it again. So let's do that tomorrow. See you then. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It has been, I don't know, a few days, but we finally have the garage to a point where it's a little bit more work withable. We still have a bunch more things that we're going to be adding to this space, but for right now, this is what it looks like. So as you guys can see, we moved the cabinet from over that side to over that side. We put the powder coating stove and everything in there. We got the lights and the new board set up there. We're going to be mounting all the tools up there. So that's the new fun part, and it's just all around a little bit cleaner, a little bit tidier, and just a little bit easier to work with. So in the background, I have been actually working on getting the engine mounts and things sorted so that we can carry on driving the car. We managed to get the Dremel from Thailand. We cut out the one side bolt, and we're falling into more issues, and it just seems to just be never ending. So I'm probably going to finish this off cam, because I think it's going to be pretty boring just watching me try and get an engine mount in for the next year and a half. But yeah, so in the next episode, who knows what we'll be doing. We'll probably be driving the car, because I'm probably going to try and get these things sorted out. I spent the whole day on it. I can show you guys exactly where we're at now. So over there, I don't know if you guys can see the mount. I'll try and circle it on the screen, but that's where it is. And the actual mount on the engine isn't lining up very well with the mount as well as the subframe bolt hole. And that's currently the challenge we're facing. So we have been trying to get that whole issue there resolved, and I've been trying to get the second engine mount out. That one also seems to be slipping, so it looks like it's going to be another job for cutting out the bolt. I think the biggest issue on that side is it's much deeper than the driver's side bolt, so getting to it just seems like it's going to be a nightmare. But it does look like I can go from the top this time, so I think I may be able to get away with doing it with the grind on that side. So hopefully in the next video we're driving the car. We should be getting an exhaust pretty soon, which is going to be fun. And then from there we move on to the interior and exterior parts of the car. So once again, thank you guys all for watching. I appreciate all the support. Hit us up with a like in the bottom, hit us up with comments, you know, just do all the things you guys enjoy doing. And thank you all once again for just hanging out and watching and doing all this stuff. And as always, love you, miss you, bye.